Dear scholars, here is our first poem from the syllabus of second term, which is titled as 3.1 Tartary. Here, Tartary means an imaginary state, an imaginary land. The poem is written by Walter de la Mare. This poem actually has a dreamy quality, as in this poem the poet has mentioned about dream. What is that dream? We will see through this poem. Before that, let us have a look on this picture in which many of the things are mentioned, are drawn, where there is a poet or a person you can consider, and many of the things what the poet actually wants in his Tartary, that is in his imaginary state. Let us see what the poet wants to express through this poem. Here is the first stanza. If I were a lord of Tartary, myself and me alone, my bed should be of ivory, of beaten gold my throne, and in my court should peacock flaunt, and in my forest tigers haunt, and in my pools great fishes slant their fins athwart the sun. Here in the first stanza, the poet is expressing his wish, his dream, that what type of imaginary land he wants and how he wants to be the lord of that land. Let us see one by one each line. If I were lord of Tartary, myself and me alone. The poet wishes to be the lord of Tartary, the lord of an imaginary land, where he wants to be alone. He wants to live alone. So he mentioned myself and me alone. My bed should be of ivory, of beaten gold my throne. Here, in the land of Tartary, the poet wants a bed which is of ivory. And whatever throne he expects, that should be of beaten gold. Here beaten gold means gold hammered into a flat thin shape. So in short, the poet wants a throne made up of gold. Let us see the picture in which here the bed of ivory it is given, and the throne the poet wants it should be of beaten gold. Actually the throne is not visible in it, so just have a look on this bed of ivory. Let's go further. What further the poet's wishes? And in my court should peacocks flaunt. Here flaunt means show up proudly. The poet wants peacock in his land of Tartary. What's more, and in my forest tigers haunt. Here the word haunt means move about, wander. And in my pools great fishes slant their fins athwart the sun. Here the word athwart means moving. So you can see the picture over here in which the picture in this picture peacock has been drawn, fish has been drawn, and its fins athwart the sun. That is what the fins of the fish that is moving towards or upward are shown towards the sun, upward. It's rising towards the sun. Here is the tiger. So in the land of Tartary, the poet wants peacock, tigers and fishes. Let us see poet's wish about his land of Tartary in the second stanza. What he desires to have in his land. Here is the second stanza. If I were lord of Tartary, trumpeters every day to every mill would summon me. Here is the picture in which here the trumpet is shown. The poet, being lord of Tartary, wants trumpeters, the people who play trumpet. He wanted trumpeters to play trumpet whenever the poet goes to mill to have a mill. So when it is time to call the Lord to have a mill, the trumpeters would welcome him playing the trumpets. Let us see the next line. And in my courtyard bray, and in the evening lamps would shine. So it is what, while having his mill, the trumpeters would call him playing the trumpet. Besides that, he wants lamps shining in the evening in his Tartary. And in the evening lamps would shine, yellow as honey, red as wine. The lights, the lamps, whatever the poet wants to have, they should be of yellow colored, just like honey, and red colored, just like a wine. While harp and flute and mandolin made music sweet and gay. So at the time of having mill, the poet wants some other instruments to be played there. Which instruments? They are harp, flute and mandolin. So these all are the musical instruments which the poet wants to have while having mill. Around him, all the people who play these instruments, they would play sweet music, sweet and gay music whenever he would have his mill. So this is all about the two stanzas of the poem Tartary. In his imagination, in his dream, the poet wants all these things. What other things the poet wants, that we will see through the third and fourth stanza in the next video.